Hello children, in this video let us discuss about the poem Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. Robert Lee Frost, popularly known as Robert Frost, is an American poet born on March 26, 1874 in San Francisco, California. His work was initially published in England before it was published in America. Robert Frost, known for his realistic depictions of rural life and his command of American colloquial speech, he frequently wrote about settings from rural life in New England in the early 20th century, using them to examine complex social and philosophical themes. Some of Frost's most well known poems include The Road Not Taken, Birches, Fire and Ice, Mending Wall, Home Burial, The Death of the Hired Man, Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening, Acquainted with the Night, Out, Out, Nothing Gold Can Stay. During his lifetime, Frost received more than 40 honorary degrees. In 1924, Frost was awarded his first of four Pulitzer Prizes for his book New Hampshire. He subsequently won Pulitzer for collected poems in 1931, A Further Range in 1937, A Witness Tree in 1943. In 1960, Congress awarded Frost the Congressional Gold Medal. He died on January 29, 1963, aged about 88 years in Boston, Massachusetts, USA. The poem Dust of Snow by Robert Frost is a simple and small poem with a deep meaning. It expresses the significance of small things in changing one's attitude. The poem explains that the little things in life can make huge changes in our future. It also reflects that hard times in the life will lead to the happier times if we can persist with it. Dust of Snow. The way a crow shook down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree, has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. By Robert Frost. This is such a beautiful poem. Now let us understand the poem stanza wise. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Here, the poet Robert Frost recounts a small incident that changes his mood. It seems very simple, but it has a very great significance. The poet was once very depressed and hopeless. He was in a state of sorrow and was lost in his thoughts. He was standing under the hemlock tree. Suddenly, a crow that was sitting on the tree shook the tree, and the fine particles of snow from the tree fell on the poet. Now let's see what the poet tells in the second stanza. Has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. When the soft and cold snow fell on the poet, it changed his mood from the state of sadness to happiness. He started feeling soothed, peaceful, and refreshed. This simple incident helped him enjoy the remaining part of the day. He thus became happy as it saved his rest of the day from being wasted and held in regret. Children, dust of snow means the fine particles or flakes of snow. The sudden shower in the form of the dust of snow changed the poet's mood. How did it change? The poet's mood changed from the state of sadness to happiness. He felt refreshed and wanted to enjoy and make use of the rest of the day. See, generally, Poets take the birds and trees which are known for their beauty and good qualities, like peacock, parrot, cuckoo, myna, and trees with beautiful flowers and fruits. But here, Robert Frost has taken a totally different approach. He chose a crow, which is not often used in poems. See, crow is black in color, which has very harsh voice and is believed as a symbol of bad omen. Thinking of a crow brings very depressing and sorrowful pictures to our mind. Again, Frost has taken a hemlock tree. A hemlock tree is a poisonous plant with small white flowers on it. The poet did not choose to use an oak or a maple or a pine tree. Instead, he chose the hemlock tree and left all the beautiful trees present in the world. Actually, he did it so to present his moods and feelings. See, both the crow and hemlock tree represents sorrow and depression felt by the poet in this world. The dust of snow is the symbol of natural joy and energy. The dust of snow that the crow shakes off a hemlock tree means passing through the sad and depressing moments. The poet is entering the time full of joy and optimism. Frost's writing skill as a poet lies in the fact that he is able to effectively convey to us how such a thing as the falling of snowflakes from the top of tree can have a refreshing effect on the mind of man. So every aspect of nature, be it a crow or hemlock tree, can be a source of positivity and can be helpful in lifting a depressed mind. In other words, what we can say is everything is beautiful in this world. Nature and its creations have the power to uplift mood even when we are in depressed state of mind. A small incident of snow falling, that too by the action of a crow, who is considered as a bad omen, takes away the pall of sadness from the poet's mind and refreshes him from the rest of the day. The poem Dust of Snow gives a beautiful message that small things in life make significant changes in our life. It also shows that if we can take the hard times of life in stride, eventually something will happen to change our situation into happier times. The simple things that we do for others can make all the difference. Just think about those random acts of kindness we do and how much they brighten a person's day and sometimes change their future. Noticing and appreciating all the small things in life will make our life happier. Hope is one of the themes of this poem. The speaker happily and quickly decides that the day is saved because of the dust of snow that falls on him. Frost no longer thinks that the day is wasted and instead has a hope that the day can be saved. Another theme of this poem revolves around the positive perspective. Here, the speaker's perspective changed by a small event. Perhaps the poem implies that we can either think positively or negatively about the events depending on our perspective and points of view. Robert Frost is a nature lover. The crow and the hemlock tree associated with bad omens or death and fear. Frost has presented them very beautifully. They bring cheer to him and are a source of joy. Through his poem, he conveys a very strong message that everything around us is beautiful. Now, children, let's read the poem once again together. Dust of snow. The way a crow shook down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree, has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. Robert Frost.